and still has a chance to be crowned is Sinulay Laguna!
Oh my God.
You have made it this far.
Laguna!
Muntinlupa!
There's no turning back now!
Laguna!
It's your night. Cebu City.
And completing the top six finalists is you!
Laguna!
Quezon Province!
Congratulations to our 6 finalists. A job well done, ladies, and you all look so poised and elegant.
And thank you all for this energy! What an unbelievably beautiful mindset of delegates! Have you ever seen a more poised and passionate group of ladies here?
Oh, ito na yan. Now hold your
The most beautiful woman sharing with the world the Philippines' generous spirit and treasure, born of sun, sea, and poetic beauty. Tell us, Ian, who will wear the Jewelmer crown?
We will find out right now. Maureen, are you ready? One more time, Philippines, are you ready?
This is it!
This is it. Our new Miss Universe Philippines will also be Miss Philippine Airlines, Miss Surge, Ambassador for Bingo Plus, Ambassador for Pina, Ambassador for SOED. Here we go. Should we get started?
Do it, Ian.
Let's go.
Do it.
The moment we have all been waiting for. It all ends and begins right here. One of the 6 ladies' destiny is about to be fulfilled. She will be our new queen, and the name I will call is our new Miss Universe Philippines. Is everyone ready? One more time, is everyone ready? Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is... The Miss Universe Philippines 2025 is... Quezon Province!
You are Miss Universe 2025!
Let us all welcome our new Miss Universe Philippines 2025. This is CNN. It has been both a privilege and a pleasure to be here. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations again to our new queen, and congratulations to the men and women of the Miss Universe Philippines organization on the success of tonight's coronation. Thank you, everybody. I'm Gabby Garcia. Five queens and runners-up are the new king of Miss Grand Filipinas 2025.
And now it's time for us to crown our 3 new Miss Universe Philippines 2025 queens and runners-up. Let's call back our top 5. Ladies, are you ready? The Miss Philippines 2025 second runner-up is our second runner-up, Sinaloa Laguna.
The Miss Philippines 2025 first runner-up is Muntinlupa.
The Miss Philippines Cosmo 2025 to be awarded by Miss Charm Philippines 2024, Cyril Payumo. Miss Cosmo Philippines is Sultan Kudarat. To be crowned is Sultan Kudarat.
The Miss Philippines Supranational 2025 to be crowned by the Supranational 2024 Tara Valencia is David.
And now to be crowned by the Miss Eco International 2025, Alexi Brooks. The Miss Philippines Eco International 2025 is Cebu City. our new Miss Philippines 2025 queens. Congratulations, and may you all reign beautifully. Thank you, everyone.
Until the next coronation, thank you to the Miss Universe Philippines organization. Maraming salamat. Have a good time!